Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track actual expenses versus budgeted in Nerdwallet. Do you want to make sure that you're sticking to your budget? Here's how to track your actual expenses versus what you budgeted in Nerdwallet so that you always know exactly where you stand. Start by logging into your account at nerdwallet.com. From your dashboard, head to the budget or monthly spending section. If you've already set up a monthly budget, you're going to see a breakdown of all of your budgeted categories. Next to each category, like groceries, transportation, or subscription, you're going to see two key numbers. First, budgeted. This is the amount that you plan to spend. And second, spent, which is the amount that you've actually spent so far this month. Nerdwallet automatically pulls in your spending data from your linked accounts, categorizing each transaction in real time. Each category features a progress bar that fills up as you spend. Green means you're under budget, yellow means you're getting close, and red means you've gone over. To view details, click on any categories to see a list of the transactions that were counted towards it. You could also switch to a graph or pie chart view for a visual comparison of budgets versus actual spending. If something looks off, you can recategorize a transaction or edit your budget on the fly to reflect a more realistic target. Tracking your spendings like this keeps your financial plan grounded in reality, not just good intentions. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more Nerdwallet tutorials that help you build better habits with every dollar. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.